The tree, though its palm-like trunk, up to 8 meters (26 feet) tall, is not as woody as the designation generally implies. The plant is crowned by deeply lobed leaves, sometimes 60 centimeters (2 feet) across, borne on hollow petioles, leaf stalks, 60 centimeters long. Normally the species is dioecious, male and female flowers being produced on separate plants. But hermaphroditic forms are known, and numerous irregularities in the distribution of the sexes are common. Male flowers are borne in clusters on stalks 90 centimeters long. The flowers are funnel-shaped, about 2.5 millimeters (0.1 inch) long and whitish, with 10 stamens in the throat. The female flowers are considerably larger, on very short stalks, and often solitary in the leaf axils. They have 5 petals that are united toward the base, and a large cylindrical or globose superior ovary that is crowned by 5 fan-shaped sessile stigmas. The fruit is commonly spherical to cylindrical in form. Is 75 to 500 millimeters (3 to 20 inches), or even more in length, and sometimes weighs as much as 9 to 11.5 kilograms (20 to 25.5 pounds). The very juicy flesh is deep yellow or orange to salmon-colored. Along the walls of the large central cavity are attached the numerous round wrinkled black seeds. The unripe fruit contains a milky juice in which is present a protein-digesting enzyme known as papain, which greatly resembles the animal enzyme pepsin in its digestive action. This juice is used in the preparation of various remedies for indigestion and in the manufacture of meat tenderizers. The history of papaya spread was initiated approximately in 1500, when the Spanish conquerors carried seeds to Panama and Dominican Republic. Papaya was first described in 1526 by the Spanish chronicler Oviedo. Ho found it first on Panamanian and Colombian coasts. The fruit was rapidly propagated in the tropics, most likely due to the abundant and highly viable seeds. The crop has adapted quite well to tropical areas with fertile soils and abundant rainfall. During the following century, Spanish and Portuguese sailors took the seeds to the Philippines, Malaysia and India. For 1600 the fruit had been produced in warm regions of South and Central America, southern Mexico, the Antilles, Bahamas, Bermuda y Florida. In the same century pawpaw seeds were taken from India to Naples in Italy. The crop reached Hawaii between 1800 and 1820. Until 1900, papaya seeds were taken to Florida. Benefits of eating papaya. Good eye health. Papayas are loaded with vitamin A and antioxidants, which helps in improving eye health. Vitamin A protects the corneas, whereas the antioxidants reduce the degeneration of the retina. The delectable fruit provides an all-over vision protection and even improves it to a certain extent. A healthy consumption of papaya can actually prevent your eyesight from deteriorating and keep your vision perfect. Aids digestion. With the amount of water and fiber content in the fruit, it would be surprising if it didn't aid digestion. Other than that, papaya also contains numerous enzymes which help break down the foods and protects the tissues that line the digestive tract. Eating papaya an hour before or after a meal can aid in healthy digestion and help your body run smoothly. Anti-aging. Skin is the largest organ of your body, and it reflects the inner workings of your body. For healthy and glowing skin, include papaya in your daily diet. It's packed with vitamin A, vitamin C plus vitamin E, which provide quite a huge antioxidant dose. It makes the skin tighter and brighter, therefore preventing wrinkles, sagging and dull skin. This wondrous fruit can do wonders for your skin and is a natural source of alpha-hydroxy acids. AHA helps in removing the buildup of dead cell layer from the skin and rejuvenates the cell tissues, making them thicker and firmer. Boosts immunity. Papayas are brimming with nutrients, and a collective advantage of them is the boost in immunity. The 200% of the recommended vitamin C present is the main contributor in boosting the immune system, therefore making your body thrive while fighting all types of infections and illnesses. Helps in weight loss. Papaya is very low in calories, and the fiber present in it helps you feel full for longer. With a healthy digestive tract and immune system, papayas help in all-round weight loss. The natural fibers detoxify the body and cleanse it, thus keeping the body healthy and fit. Other than that, the seeds found within the fruit prevent your body from absorbing fats, therefore a handful of papaya seeds can aid in weight loss too. Better kidney health. The potassium present in the fruit is a huge supporter of kidney health. It cleans out the toxins deposited in the kidneys and reduce the accumulation of uric acid in the blood. Papaya seeds also play an important part in keeping the kidney healthy. The presence of flavonoids in it helps in keeping the cells from degenerating and prevents the kidney from dysfunctioning. Great for diabetics. Although this tropical fruit is known for its sweetness, it's great for people who have diabetes or want to reduce the risks of getting it. The sweetness is natural and unlike other fruits, it has low sugar content as well as low glucose levels. Its filling nature ensures a satiated mind and body, and in the long run stops you from craving foods that can be harmful to diabetic patients. With high-quality nutrients and various health benefits, it maintains blood sugar levels and cholesterol. Better cardiovascular health. Rich in antioxidants and phytochemicals. Papayas help in keeping the heart healthy and fight off heart diseases that might come your way. Plus the vitamin C, fibers and potassium promote healthy blood flow and keeps the arteries healthy. The maintenance of cholesterol also helps in warding off many heart diseases. Therefore, including a healthy diet of papayas is very important. Hair health. Papaya is also gray for hair because it contains vitamin A nutrient required for sebum production which keeps hair moistured. Vitamin A is also necessary for the growth of all bodily tissues including skin and hair. Adequate intake of vitamin C which papaya can provide is needed for the building and maintenance of collagen which provides structure to skin. Bone health. Low intakes of vitamin K have been associated with a higher risk of bone fracture. Adequate vitamin K consumption is important for good health as it improves calcium absorption and may reduce urinary excretion of calcium, meaning there is more calcium in the body to strengthen and rebuild bones. How to eat papaya. When choosing or eating papaya, look for fresh papayas with reddish-orange skin that are soft to the touch. Just cut like a melon, scoop out the seeds and enjoy. The seeds of the papaya are edible but have a bitter peppery taste. Using a spoon it is possible to scoop out the soft flesh of the fruit. Papaya is a soft, versatile fruit. This means it can be incorporated into many recipes. Consider the following simple methods of preparation. Make a tropical fruit salad with fresh papaya, pineapple and mango. Muddle papaya into a glass of lemonade. Iced tea or water for a burst of fresh fruity flavor. Make a fresh salsa with papaya, mango, jalapeno, red peppers and chipotle pepper. Use as a topping for fish tacos. Add a few slices of frozen papaya to smoothies. Combine with pineapple juice, half a frozen banana, and Greek yogurt for a sweet tropical treat. Risks. People with a latex allergy may also be allergic to papaya because papayas contain enzymes called chitinases. They can cause a cross-reaction between latex and the foods that contain them. Some ripe papaya can have an off-putting odor. You can minimize this smell by mixing the cut fruit with lime juice. The seeds of the papaya, though unpleasant tasting to some, are perfectly safe to consume. Benefits and uses of papaya leaf. May treat symptoms related to dengue fever. One of the most prominent medicinal benefits of papaya leaf is its potential to treat certain symptoms associated with dengue fever. Dengue is a mosquito-borne virus. T can be transmitted to humans and cause flu-like symptoms, such as fever, fatigue, headaches, nausea, vomiting, and skin rashes. Severe cases can also result in reduced platelet levels in the blood. Low platelet levels can contribute to an increased risk of bleeding and are potentially fatal if left untreated. While there's currently no cure for dengue, several treatments are available for managing its symptoms, one of which is papaya leaf. 3 human studies that included several hundred people with dengue found that papaya leaf extract significantly increased blood platelet levels. What's more, the papaya leaf therapy had very few associated side effects and was found to be much more cost-effective than conventional treatments. May have anti-cancer properties. Papaya leaf has been used in traditional medicine practices to prevent and treat certain types of cancer, but modern research is still lacking. Papaya leaf extract has demonstrated a powerful ability to inhibit the growth of prostate and breast cancer cells in test tube studies, but neither animal nor human experiments have replicated these results. Although consuming papaya leaves and other antioxidant-rich foods may play a role in cancer prevention, they have not been proven to have any curative abilities. Safety precautions. Although more research is needed to prove many of the purported benefits of papaya leaf, it has a pretty good safety record. In 2014, animal study found that papaya leaf had no toxic effects even at very large doses, and human studies have reported very few negative side effects. That said, if you're allergic to papaya, you should not consume papaya leaves in any form. Moreover, if you are pregnant or breastfeeding, you should consult your healthcare provider prior to consuming any papaya leaf preparations. Although papaya leaf itself is generally considered safe for most people, it's important that you only choose the highest quality products if you're purchasing it in supplement form.